Hello everyone, I'm Akriti. In this video, I'll be explaining the Prim's algorithm. So let's get started with the video. These are the contents of today's video. First, I'll be telling you about the spanning tree, and then we look at what is minimum spanning tree. As before starting with the Prim's algorithm, it is very necessary that we understand what these two topics are. And then finally, we will implement the Prim's algorithm using an example. Let's begin with the understanding of what exactly a spanning tree is. We can define a spanning tree as a subgraph that can be derived from an undirected connected graph. In simple terms, a spanning tree is a non-cyclic subgraph of an undirected connected graph that connects all the vertices together. And one graph can have many spanning trees. Like you can look here, graph A has all of these spanning trees and many more. The next topic is minimum spanning tree. Okay, so there are two types of graphs. One is weighted and the other graph is unweighted graph. Weighted graphs are those that have weights associated with the edges of the graph. And unweighted graphs, as the name suggests, are those that does not have any weights associated with their edges. Now let's understand what is the cost of a spanning tree. The cost of a spanning tree is the sum of all the weights of all the edges in the tree. So as the name suggests, a minimum spanning tree is the one with the minimum or least cost. Now let's look at an example of minimum spanning tree. This is a weighted graph and we need to find out the minimum spanning tree of this graph. This is one of the spanning trees of the graph shown in the previous slide. As we know that one graph can have many spanning trees and is not limited to having only one spanning tree. So now let's have a look at what is the minimum spanning tree of this graph. Okay, so this is the minimum spanning tree or MST of the previous shown graph. It has a cost of 37 units, which is the minimum cost. So after getting a gist of what spanning trees and minimum spanning trees are, let's begin with the main topic of our presentation, that is the Prim's algorithm. Okay, so let's begin with it. Prim's algorithm is a minimum spanning tree algorithm that takes a graph as an input and finds the subset of the edges of that graph which forms a tree that includes every vertex and has the minimum sum of weights among all the trees that can be formed from that graph. So, okay, so Prim's algorithm, as you all must be aware of, is a famous type of greedy algorithm. It is used to find the minimum spanning trees of a given graph. To apply Prim's algorithm, the given graph must be weighted, connected, and undirected. Now let's look at the various steps involved in applying the Prim's algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree of a given graph. Step number 1 says that we can arbitrarily choose any vertex as the root vertex from the given graph. And then we start connecting the root vertex with the edge having the least weight from the outgoing edges from all the outgoing edges, connecting the root node with the edges of the vertices of the graph. The step number 2 says that we need to find all the edges that connect the tree to new vertices. The most important point here is that we need to keep in our mind is that while selecting the edge, the minimum weight edge should be selected, and the graph should not and there should not be a cycle in the graph. Okay, so now the final step says that we need to keep repeating step 2 until all the vertices have been included and the minimum spanning tree is obtained. Now let us understand the implementation of the Prim's algorithm with the help of the given example. So we need to construct the minimum spanning tree for this graph using the Prim's algorithm. This is the graph shown here in the presentation. Okay, so to begin with, we have chosen vertex number 1 as our root vertex, we have connected the root vertex 1 with the vertex 6 since out of the two edges connected to the vertex 1, the one with the least weight is vertex 6. Okay. Now we'll consider all the edges connected with both the vertices, that is vertex 1 and 6. And we'll find the one with the least weight, which is the one connecting the vertex 6 with vertex 5, having a minimum weight of, having the least weight of 25 units. Again, we will consider all the three vertices that we have drawn till now, that is vertex 1, 6, and 5. And find out the edges with the least weight and then connect it with the particular vertex. Here we have chosen vertex 4 with the least weight of 22 units. Now we will keep repeating the step number 2 and connect the least weighted edges of to the vertices. We have done the same in step number 5 as well. Now finally, we have our MST, that is the minimum spanning tree of the given graph, which has a cost of 99 units. Okay, so with this, we finish with the implementation of the Prim's algorithm. I hope that you all liked the video and are now clear with the concept of Prim's algorithm. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Also, please like this video and share it with all your friends so that they can also be benefited from this video. Thank you.